Now if you see that coherence. So coherence is a property of laser. Okay. Now what is coherence? Coherence means, here you can see that when two waves having same amplitude means two waves are there, like these two waves are passing. Okay, the one wave. So if you see that this is the amplitude of first wave, second wave, or this first wave or second wave, anything can take. So it is amplitude A. This wave amplitude is also A. So these two waves are having same amplitudes. That is saying that same amplitude, same frequency. Suppose how many waves are happening? One, up to here one wave, two waves, three waves, four waves. Here one wave, two waves, three waves. So one wave, two wave, three wave, four waves. So both are, here you can see that one wave, two waves, three waves, and four waves. So it is one wave, it is second wave, it is third wave, it is fourth wave. In the case of first wave propagation, wavelength is lambda from year to year. Wavelength is lambda from year to year. Lambda from year to year. How many? Total 4 lambda. Means 4 waves. Here also, for this case also, lambda, 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 lambda. 4 lambdas. It 4 waves is happening. 4 waves happening in 1 second. So the first wave is having 4 waves, the second wave is having 4 waves in 1 second. So frequency of two waves is same. The first wave frequency is equal to second wave frequency. So frequency of first wave equals to frequency of second wave. So as he said, same frequency. Next to same phase difference. See, here it is vibrating in this direction and here it is vibrating in this direction. Both are in the same angle, they are vibrating at this point. At this point it is vibrating in this direction, at this point in this direction. So angle difference is 0. So here between these two, angle difference is same. Angle difference is same. So both are propagating in same direction at this point. So vibrating in same direction. So angle difference is same. So what happens? Phase difference is equals to phi equals to 2 pi by lambda into x. So lambda is how much? 4 waves. So instead of that, 2 pi by lambda, 4 lambda into x. X is equal to, sorry, lambda is whole length only. X is equal to 4 lambda. Lambda gets cancelled. The angle is equals to 8 pi. Angle is how much? 8 pi. So it's a first wave. The phi value of first wave. This wave and phase difference is how much? For 8 pi. Second wave phase. If you go for second wave phase, same, phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into x. 2 pi by lambda. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 waves. 1 wave, 2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves. So 4 lambda. Lambda gets cancelled. 8 pi. So phase difference is first wave phi minus second wave phi is equals to 8 pi minus 8 pi is equal to 0. This is a phase difference 0. So both the waves are maintaining 0 phase difference, 0 angle difference. So that is why it is called coherence waves. These two waves are coherence waves. Okay, this is said by here. Same frequency, phase difference, same frequency, same phase difference between them is constant or 0, moving along the same direction. They are called as a coherent waves. Next, coherence property of the wave being in phase with itself and also another wave over period time. The distance and space coherence is 2 types. So there are 2 types of coherences are there. It is a coherence is a property of wave being in phase with itself. అంటే తనకు తానుగానే ఇన్ ఫేజ్లో ఉండాలి అండ్ వేరే వాళ్ళతో కూడా ఇన్ ఫేజ్లో ఉండాలి. అట్లా 2 టైప్స్గా డివైడ్ చేయొచ్చు. వన్ ఈజ్ టెంపరల్ కోహరెన్స్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్పేషియల్ కోహరెన్స్. See, you can see that temporal coherence. If you see this temporal coherence, if you see that a wave is starting from here, here it ends, again it moves in forward direction. Here up to here it is coming. See how many waves? 2 waves. Here 1 lambda, here 1 lambda. So here to here the distance is lambda. For this 1 second is taken. Suppose from here to here 1 lambda, same 1 second should be taken. Means the wave starting time, how much distance it 1 second, how much distance is travelled. Next 1 second also should travel same distance. If it is maintaining like that, then it is called as a temporal coherence. అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ ఒక సెకండ్లో ఎంత దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేసిందో నెక్స్ట్ టైం కూడా అంతే దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. అంటే మెయింటైనింగ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్. అంటే అదే వేవ్ స్టార్టింగ్లో ఒక సెకండ్లో ఎంత దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేసిందో నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్స్లో కూడా అంతే దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఈక్వల్ పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఈక్వల్ difference in equal interval of time. So then it is called what? Temporal coherence. Now come to these spatial coherence. Spatial coherence, here number of waves is taken. If two waves are having the same amplitude, all these two waves are having same amplitude. If you see that, same frequency. See how many crusts are there? Same number of crusts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All are having say 4. 4 waves almost are having all are having same frequency and same amplitude. Somewhat almost same amplitude. All are having same amplitude. You have to see the three-dimensional picture here. And a phase difference between 0. All are being in same line, straight line. All are being in same line, and between them is 0 0 over the space difference. Path difference is same, phase difference is same. All are as traveled same distance. Starting point at the same time they traveled, the same time it reached at this point, same time also. All are reaching the same points, very equal points, equal path difference throughout the motion is called what? Spatial or transverse coherence. This is the second property of laser. Means maintaining constant path difference, constant angle, okay, constant frequency, constant amplitude. This is called, all the waves should be maintained. Then it is called what? Spatial coherence.